Gouty arthritis. Gout is a form of inflammatory arthritis that causes intense pain in a joint. Gout can affect anyone. It's characterized by sudden severe attacks of pain, swelling, redness, and tenderness in one or more joints, most often in the big toe. It's due to a crystal called uric acid. It's the most common form of inflammatory arthritis in men, and although it's more likely to affect men, women become more susceptible to it after the menopause. Gout is a treatable condition, and the uric acid level can be decreased by medication and lifestyle changes. Causes. Gout is caused initially by an excess of uric acid in the blood, a condition known as hyperuricemia. The human body makes uric acid during the breakdown of chemicals called purines, which are found in the body and the foods we eat. Normally, uric acid is dissolved in the blood and is excreted from the body in urine via the kidneys. When the body has high levels of uric acid or not enough is excreted, uric acid crystals can build up in the joints and form sharp needle-like crystals that cause gout, resulting in inflammation and pain in the joints. Hyperuricemia does not always cause gout, and hyperuricemia without gout symptoms does not need to be treated. Risk factors. You are more likely to develop gout if you have high levels of uric acid in your body. Factors that increase the uric acid level in your body include genetics or family history of gout. If other members of your family have had gout, you are more likely to develop the disease. Age and gender. Men produce more uric acid than women, though women's level of uric acid approach those of men after the menopause. Obesity or overweight. If you are overweight, your body produces more uric acid and your kidneys have a more difficult time eliminating uric acid. Medical conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, metabolic syndrome, heart and kidney diseases increases your risk of gout. Poor kidney function, renal insufficiency and other kidney problems can reduce the body's ability to efficiently remove waste products leading to elevated uric acid levels. You are also more likely to develop gout if you are eating a high purine diet, drinking beverages sweetened with fruit sugar, drinking alcohol, or using certain medications such as diuretics. Symptoms of gout. Gout usually becomes symptomatic suddenly without warning, often in the middle of the night. The symptoms of gout are due to the formation of uric acid crystals in the joints and the body's response to them. During a gout attack, symptoms in the affected joint may include intense pain and inflammation, tenderness, even to light touch, warmth, or a feeling like the joint is on fire, and gout usually occurs in only one joint at a time. It's often found in the big toe but can also affect the forefoot, ankles, knees, elbows, wrists, and fingers. As gout progresses, you may not be able to move your joints normally. Some people have gout attacks frequently while others go years between episodes. If gout is not treated, attacks may become more frequent and last longer. Gout attacks can happen over and over again in the same joint or affect different joints. Without treatment, an acute gout attack will be at its worst between 12 and 24 hours after it began. A person can expect to recover within 1 to 2 weeks without treatment, but there may be significant pain during this period. Diagnosis. Make an appointment with your doctor if you have symptoms that are common to gout. Doctors usually diagnose gout based on your symptoms and the appearance of the affected joint, your physical examination, x-rays and lab tests. After an initial examination, your doctor may refer you to a specialist in the diagnosis and treatment of arthritis and other inflammatory joint conditions. Tests to help diagnose gout may include imaging tests. Your doctor may suggest taking x-rays, an ultrasound or MRI of the affected joint to rule out other causes of inflammation. Joint fluid test, where fluid is extracted from the affected joint with a needle. The fluid is then examined under a microscope to see if any urate crystals are present. Doctors can also do a blood test to measure the levels of uric acid in the blood, but people with high uric acid levels do not always experience gout. Equally, some people can develop the symptoms of gout without having increased levels of uric acid in the blood. Treatment. The majority of gout cases are treated with medication and self-management strategies. Commonly used medications include non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. These reduce pain and inflammation and are usually taken orally. For people with frequent acute flares or chronic gout, doctors may recommend medications to lower uric acid levels in the blood or improve the kidney's ability to remove uric acid from the body. Preventing tophi and kidney stones from forming as a result of chronic high levels of uric acid are important. Lifestyle and home remedies. Medications are often the most effective way to treat gout attacks and prevent recurrent symptom flares. However, you can make certain lifestyle changes to help prevent gout. Eat a healthy diet, avoid foods that may trigger a gout flare, drink plenty of water to help your kidneys function better, and avoid dehydration. Avoid or limit the intake of foods high in purines. These chemicals can trigger uric acid buildup. Avoid drinks and foods high in fructose and limit alcohol intake. Exercise regularly. Protect and limit stress on your joints. Talk to your doctor by attending regular appointments who can help you discuss about medications and also changes that you can make to your diet and lifestyle to prevent and reduce gout attacks. Complications. Gout affects many aspects of daily living, including work and leisure activities. People with gout can develop more severe conditions such as some people only ever have one flare up, others may have regular recurrences, causing gradual damage to the joints and surrounding tissue. If left untreated, gout can cause erosion and destruction of a joint, tophus formation. Untreated gout may cause deposits of uric acid in the joints and soft tissue. Tophi can develop in several areas such as your fingers, hands, feet, elbows, or Achilles tendons along the backs of your ankles, and they can become swollen and tender during gout attacks. Some people with gout can also develop other health problems such as severe arthritis, kidney stones, and heart disease. Outlook. Gout is a painful form of arthritis. If you experience sudden, intense pain in a joint, call your doctor. Gout that goes untreated can lead to worsening pain and joint damage. Seek medical care immediately if you have a fever and a joint is hot and inflamed, which can be a sign of infection. There is no cure for gout, but you can effectively treat and manage the condition with medication and self-management strategies. Thank you.